Lisbon. In comparison to other modern European capitals like London, Paris, and Rome, Lisbon is one of the oldest cities in the world and among the oldest in Western Europe. One of the world's top secret recipes is kept there. Lisbon has become a destination for dessert aficionados thanks to its flaky crust and creamy, sweet egg filling, known as pastéis de nata. Only 3 individuals in the world are aware of the original recipe for these pastries, which is the same one that is served in Belém at Pasteis de Belém, despite the fact that they are prepared all over the nation and can be found in almost any pastry shop. Lisbon was one of the earliest, if not the first, foreign cities to sell Guinness. Lisbon is a vibrant and colorful city today. The city is known for its sunny demeanor and is blessed with a wealth of historical landmarks, top-notch museums, and a variety of other fantastic things to do. St. George's Castle, the most well-known of Lisbon's top sites, occupies a magnificent location close to Alfama on top of a hill overlooking the Portuguese capital. One of the most well-liked tourist locations in Lisbon is this. The castle offers a gratifying experience for the whole family because to its majestic battlements, interesting museum, and fascinating archaeological site. Porto. The Maria Pia Bridge, one of the Douro River bridges, was built by Gustav Eiffel. In actuality, it was Gustav Eiffel's final undertaking prior to his well-known Eiffel Tower. After all, the well-known port wine is a dessert. A fortified wine that is typically sweet in flavor and consumed with or right after dessert, but don't be fooled, it can have an alcohol content of up to 22%. Every traveler to Porto must pay a visit to the port wine cellars. Even the seashore is reachable. Not everyone is aware that you can go to the beach in Porto via the metro. From Trindade station, you may go to the beach city of Matosinhos in less than 30 minutes. One of Europe's biggest street festivals is held in Porto. Portugal celebrates the patron saints of its cities during the month of June. The patron saint varies depending on the city. For example, Porto honors Saint John, Festas do São João, whereas Saint Anthony is honored in Lisbon. The month of June is jam-packed with regional events. A moment to reflect on the essence of Porto, Portugal, and its inhabitants. At Taste Porto, we yearn for June just like every other tropeiro. Sintra. You must visit Sintra, a Portuguese treasure, especially if you are already in Lisbon. It's undoubtedly one of Portugal's most picturesque locations and offers a lot of breathtaking scenery. There are numerous natural and cultural landmarks in Sintra that have been designated as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. In fact, Sintra as a whole has been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in honor of its extraordinary historical and cultural significance. Of course, there are several amazing palaces that stand out as the greatest things to do in Sintra, but it isn't the only option. One of the best things to do in Sintra is to visit Montserrat Palace, which was built for Sir Francis Cook. I am aware that Pina Palace is the attraction that gets the most visitors, but Montserrat Palace is a true jewel that shouldn't be missed. It was built on the ruins of the old palace complex, which had been severely damaged by an earthquake in the past. That was all for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please share your thoughts in the comments section, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.